Want healthier pest-free plants? Marigolds are your secret weapon. These vibrant flowers are more than just a pretty face. They act as natural pest control, especially against pesky nematodes. These microscopic worms can wreak havoc on your garden, but marigolds keep them at bay. Marigolds release special chemicals into the soil, creating a no-go zone for nematodes. This natural defense mechanism protects your valuable plants, ensuring they thrive. Plus, marigolds attract beneficial insects like ladybugs, which feast on other garden pests. It's like having a whole army of protectors working tirelessly to keep your garden healthy and vibrant. So, ditch those harsh chemicals and embrace the natural solution. Let's explore how marigolds can transform your gardening experience. Nematodes, also known as roundworms, are tiny creatures that live in the soil. These microscopic worms can cause big problems for your plants. Nematodes feed on plant roots, disrupting their ability to absorb water and nutrients. Infested plants often show signs of wilting, yellowing, and stunted growth. You might also notice root knots or galls, which are swollen areas caused by the nematodes. Without intervention, nematode damage can significantly reduce your harvest and even kill your plants. The worst part? They're often invisible to the naked eye. This makes early detection challenging. But don't worry, marigolds come to the rescue as natural guardians against these silent destroyers. Marigolds are like superheroes for your garden, especially when it comes to battling nematodes. These vibrant flowers release special chemicals into the soil, called thiophenies. Think of thiophenies as a force field that repels nematodes. These chemicals disrupt nematodes' nervous systems, making it difficult for them to survive and reproduce near the marigolds. This creates a protective barrier around your plants, keeping them safe from these harmful pests. But that's not all. Marigolds also attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. These helpful critters are natural predators of many other garden pests, providing an extra layer of defense for your beloved plants. Section 4. Planting marigolds for maximum protection. Ready to unleash the power of marigolds in your garden? Follow these simple steps to maximize their effectiveness. First, choose the right marigolds. French marigolds, also known as Tagetes patula, are particularly potent against nematodes. Look for varieties like Tangerine, Petite Harmony, or Queen Sophia. Next, plant them strategically. Place marigolds around the perimeter of your garden beds, or as companion plants alongside susceptible crops like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Timing is key. Sow marigold seeds directly into the soil a few weeks before your last frost date. Alternatively, start them indoors and transplant them outdoors after the danger of frost has passed. And finally, provide proper care. Marigolds thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Water them regularly, especially during dry spells, and fertilize them every few weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Section 5. Beyond pest control, the many benefits of marigolds. Marigolds are true overachievers in the garden. Besides being nematode nemesis, they offer a plethora of additional benefits. First, attracting pollinators. Their bright blooms act as beacons for bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects, boosting pollination in your garden. Next, improving soil structure. Marigold roots help break up compacted soil, enhancing drainage and aeration, which benefits the growth of neighboring plants. Adding beauty to your garden. With their vibrant hues of yellow, orange, and red, marigolds add a splash of color and cheer, brightening your outdoor space. And lastly, edible petals. Some marigold varieties boast edible petals that can be used to add a peppery flavor and vibrant color to salads, soups, and desserts. Section 6. Marigolds in action. Tips and tricks for success. First, a myth buster. Some believe marigolds deter beneficial insects. This is untrue. They attract pollinators and beneficial predators, enhancing biodiversity. Companion planting power. Combine marigolds with other pest-repelling plants like basil, chives, and garlic for an extra layer of protection. Deadheading for continuous blooms. Regularly pinch off spent marigold blooms to encourage bushier growth and continuous flowering throughout the season. Saving seeds. Collect seeds from your favorite marigold varieties at the end of the season to plant again next year and share with fellow gardeners. Now that you know the secret weapon against nematodes and other pests, get planting. Embrace the power of marigolds and watch your garden thrive naturally.